welcome to PROPLATE. Today I'll be showing you how to access Active BOL screen, edit an Active BOL, and search for any Active BOLs that you currently have open in your system. In order to get Active BOL screen, go over to the sidebar, scroll down until you get to the Shipper List tab. Click on the Shipper List tab to bring up the Shipper List screen. In order to bring up the Active BOL screen, click on the Filter by Shipper List button, and then filter by Active BOL instead. In order to search for any the Active BOL you currently have open in your system, we have two different options. You can either search by the shipper number or the BOL number in the search bar, or you can search by date range. In the search shipper here, search bar, you can enter a BOL number or the shipper number. Press enter, and it will bring up the Active BOL and make it the only one on your screen. Clicking the X will bring up BOL screen. If you don't remember or can't find the shipper number or the BOL number, you can search by date range. In order to do that, you can have to choose the start date and the end date. For this example, we'll be using the 1st of July to the 22nd of July. And as you can see here, we have a total of 17 active BOLs in the system from that date range. In order to edit a BOL, go over to the three dots underneath the action section. Click on the three dots to bring up the View and Sign BOL dropdown. Click on that to bring up the BOL for that drop. Here you can add the signature or fetch the shipper signature. When you click Add Signature, it will bring up the Add the Signature pop-up where you can put in its signature. And when you do, click Save. And once you've done that, you can submit the BOL. All the BOLs on the screen will be on the Active BOL for a total of 90 days, which is approximately 3 months. If you need any additional help or have any questions, you can contact us at support@PROPLATE. Thank you.